Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unpin music on your Facebook profile. So if you want to unpin a particular music you pin to your profile, here is a quick guide on how to do that. So tap on your Facebook profile, then you have to check the kind of music that is pinned to your profile. If you want to do that, so you can see this particular music is pinned to my profile, which is happening here. So for me to unpin it, I will tap on the menu, then tap on the gear button, then scroll all the way down to audience and visibility. You can see it right here. Then tap on the profile details. Then from there I'll scroll down a little, then tap on music. I'll tap on see all. So once you tap on see all, it will bring out the available music you have on your music list on your Facebook. Then you tap on the one that is pinned to your profile, which is Happy New Year. That is the songs that is pinned to my profile. So for me to unpin it, I'll tap on the three dot icon right in front of the music. Then I'll tap on unpin from profile. You can see songs has been unpinned. So for me to confirm this action, I'll go back to my profile, then tap on the profile icon. Then I'll just refresh my profile and you can see the songs is no longer pinned to my profile, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.